Welcome to the Cornell Notes-Taking Method. This method of taking notes follows the 5 R's of note-taking: record, reduce, recite, and reflect, and review. So first the setup with the 3 boxes, and I put the measurements there as well. Then you're going to set up the boxes into cues, notes, and summary at the bottom. So first off, in the note column, you're going to want to record as much as you can from the lecture. And then you want to write down keywords, people, places. You can do diagrams or formulas in this section. And also leave space between points. So some space-saving techniques include shorthand, symbols, abbreviations, and lists. So when do you write in this section? You write this during class, so when the lecture is happening. And this goes along with the record part of the 5 R's. Next, the cue section. So you want to write down the main ideas, questions that connect points, and diagrams as well, prompts for studying. And so when do you write in the cue section? Right after class, so you can absorb that information right after class. And this goes with the reduce and recite part of the 5 R's. Lastly, the summary portion. You want to summarize main ideas, why it is important, and what conclusions can you draw from the lesson. So when do you take these notes? This is after class, but not right after, probably when you're studying. And this goes with the review and reflect part of the 5 R's of note-taking. So next, the mapping method. Alright, so as you saw, we're going to be working on the mapping method of taking notes. Colors here. Alright, so here we are. So the mapping method is more a visual way to take your notes. You can add more illustrations, things like that. So let's just get into it. So first you want to write down the main topic. So that's what I'm going to do, and put it in a little circle, box, whatever. I'm going to do it in the middle of the page here. So here's the main topic. The next thing you're going to do is connect subtopics to the main topic. So I'm just going to do 3 subtopics here. Subtopics. So one here, and one here. Okay. Alright, and so then the next step that you're going to do is to add supporting ideas to connect the subtopics. So say this one has 1 supporting idea, this one has 2, and this one also has 2. So here we are. This is the concept of the mapping method. So the advantages of this is that it's easy to go back and edit the notes and add color to the visuals. For example, just even making just making your subtopics a different color than the main topic. So if I just went like this is kind of messy, but you get the point. Like that. But you have like all this space to be able to make illustrations or add on to that. So that's kind of the advantage if you are more a visual learner. But the disadvantage of this is that it does take a lot of concentration to be able to do this note-taking method. It can also be really overwhelming with complex subjects if that's what you're using this for. So yeah, that's basically it for this one.